Iceland volcano update. Crater collapse could change lava flow. Lava flowing from the ongoing volcanic eruption in the Sundhnúkur crater chain on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula may be changing direction. Since the eruption began on November 20th, hot lava has been pouring out of a large crack in the ground, slowly moving west and east of the crater. However, according to an update from the Icelandic Meteorological Office on December 3rd, the lava flow may soon be affected by a potential crater collapse. The crater continues to fill, increasing the risk of its collapse. If this happens, the direction of the lava flow could change, but given the location of the crater, infrastructure is not considered at risk, they said in a statement. Crater activity has not changed much in recent days, and turbulence measurements support this conclusion. Lava flows from the active crater continue to flow southeast toward Fagradalsfjall. NASA imagery shows how lava from the latest eruption is flowing from a 1.8-mile-long fissure in the ground near the summit of Stora Skogfjall and flowing east and west. To the west, the lava is approaching the famous Blue Lagoon hot spring, blanketing its parking lot with molten rock. The Blue Lagoon was evacuated ahead of the lava flow, and 50 homes in the nearby town of Grindavik were also evacuated. The town's population of 3,800 has had to evacuate several times in the past year due to repeated eruptions nearby, one of which caused lava to spill over the edge of town and burn homes to the ground. The temperature of the lava varies. Basaltic lava like the one that erupted near Grindavik typically has a temperature of 1,100 to 1,200 degrees Celsius, 2,012 to 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit. Because this temperature is much higher than the temperature at which wood burns, it poses a high fire hazard to homes and other buildings. Lava continues to flow from the fissure, but the edges of the affected area have not changed or moved much over the past few days. There has been some slight change in the edges of the lava, but overall the movement of the edges of the lava is small, the Icelandic Meteorological Office said. The eruption is estimated to be the second largest eruption of the past year in terms of the volume of lava released. Icelandic volcanic eruptions release a variety of gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2, water vapor, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, methane, and carbon monoxide, among others. These gases, especially SO2, have contributed to poor air quality conditions in areas near the eruption over the weekend. Norwegian Meteorological Service experts measured SO2 emissions from the eruption yesterday, November 28th. Therefore, gas pollution from the eruption may continue for the next few days, which may cause discomfort or be unhealthy. This is especially true on the hiking trails in Fagradalsfjall and near the geyser. It is not clear when this eruption will end, or when the Reykjanes Peninsula will experience its next eruption. Some experts fear that the recent eruption is a sign that the region will experience regular activity for a long time.